Jopay.
Okay, this is the Las Vegas airport. Where are we going?
Ground transportation dito.
Eh, hindi na namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Doon sa ground transportation.
Public transit second floor.
Oh, doon tayo mag...
Public transit second floor.
Apa kayong public?
Teka.
Saan natin kukunin ang mga ano? Ah, meron shuttle. O, shuttle bus. Ito yung ano, dito ko maghintay ng taxi mo. Oh. Ganito po ang loob at labas. Yan siya. O, diba? Ayan na si Donya. Yan pinaka-Donya namin. Siya may-ari ng ano, Hilton. O, lalabas na kami. Ayan. Maghintay na kami rito ng bus. Ayan. O, dito kami maghintay ng bus. Oh my God! Oh, may itlog ba kayo dyan? Kahit hindi tayo magpainit sa sobrang init. Wow!
Ramdam ko na init.
Ang init! Gabi na to hapon na to. How much mo sa araw?
Natin kung sa inyong bigay ng tayo.
Sobrang init, grabe.
Grabe, ang init. Oo nga, totoo nga, ang init. Diyan siya, oh. Oh, ang init. Grabe. Oh my God. Hapon na to. It's already 8 o'clock in the evening. Pero talagang ramdam mo ang init. Mas mainit kaysa sa Manila. Asan? Ayan o. Video na nga ito. Video na nga. Ano pa bang gusto mo? O ano? Uy! Uy ka dyan. Yahoo! We're going to our hotel.
I said Sam.
Sam.
Meron ka bang cash today? Ito. Ikaw, Mas? Ito. Mas, do you want us like this? Yun ang tallest building dito. Tapos here.
Maraming dala si Ate Emma. Sampak.
May dala din ako nandun sa luggage. Nandun sa carry-on. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mag-download ako ng Uber app para i-take na meron tayo.
Pag naglalag ka, pag-diretso.
Eh, hindi makuha lahat.
Hindi. Kawaway ko nung noon.
Eh, hindi. Pwede na balik ta rin ang kanila mga cellphone.
Kaya mo nang siya mga doong mag-land.
Yan. I hope na next time na pagbalik natin kasama na mapamilya.
Hi girl.
Yes, eh.
Bibigyan ko na siya ng 60. Happy tayo doon para may tip siya.
Yeah.
Ha? Bibigyan ko siya ng 60.
Tigulat tayo.
Kesa naman na magbayad tayo ng $25 each. Di ba?
Hindi, ay. Ikit mo lang, no, natin sisigaran na dito. Yung natin na mo lang ta. Ay sa jaya, madimumuto mga mahalan mo tayo kasama dito mga sakyan mo. Ayos na.
55 ate.
Ayos na yun.
Ha? 55.
Oo.
Okay, meron ka bang barya o wala? Meron akong 50.
Yun na lang, aji lang ati, aji lang ang kinuha niya eh. Kasi aji dito. Okay lang na dyan.
O di sige, ate. Ate, sige. 60 ate. Para hindi na mahirap sa pag-atian. Oo.
O sige na nga.
Welcome to Las Vegas, Nevada.
What's your name?
Tapos yung...
Jonathan.
Ha?
Jonathan.
Jonathan. Oh.
Our driver, Jonathan.
Yay!
Yahoo!
Yan, that's
It's 8:32 in the evening in Las Vegas.
Ang madilim na siya. No?
And we are in Las Vegas downtown strip. Oh, ilan ang ano nito? Speed niyan? North Las Vegas.
Hi, my name is Sabina. I'm calling about my roaming data. I told them before I leave that
Frank
I'm
Sinatra
getting back,
Drive.
and they text me, welcome
Oh,
to
Frank
USA,
Sinatra.
alright?
Meron pa lang siyang ano nito,
Uh,
Frank Sinatra.
I'm offline still. Can you help me?
Miss Link, Miss Circus Circus, Miss Golden Nuggets.
Yeah, because before I leave, I asked them to
Dahil malapit na
going
hotel
to
natin yung-
the roaming, $12 a day. And they even text me.
Si na Girlie is anong hotel sila? Hindi ko nga alam kung anong
I'm still learning this. I just got this last week. So I don't know how to do it. Can you help me? Please? Yeah, it's kind of thing because I'm on my way to my hotel. So
yung Egyptian yun, parang may
kind of very
ganun.
hard to hear you. Can you not just do it on your
Mandalay
side?
Bay! Yan na.
Mandalay Bay.
Stratosphere ba sila? Hindi. Stratosphere. Delano.
Grace, pwede i-ano mo kasi kung paano i-ano yung roaming?
Ha?
611.
Hindi, ha? Hindi ka makaano?
Hindi ko alam kung paano, hindi ko marinig eh. Ay, Ay!
Amado,
ano ba yan? Tinitingnan mo.
anong gagawin ko?
Kausapin mo yung mama, please.
Ha?
Eh,
Mama?
kung paanong i-turn on yung roaming data ko.
Paano to? Ay, magbukas.
And then naka-speaker.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Wala na?
Hiya, good evening. So I would like to know how can
Open.
I activate my roaming. Turn on the data roaming.
Ang hirap kong pakinggan eh.
Okay,
Parang
and?
bingi pa ako.
That's all? Uh-huh. Oh, global network. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go to settings then. Okay. Then I'm gonna call you if doesn't work. Ate, punta tayo sa setting.
Oo,
tapos
sige,
ito-turn on natin yung data roaming. Okay,
Parang
ganito.
trinay ko yan kanina eh.
Punta na ako ha.
Sige, sige.
Setting niya.
Ayan na.
The Cosmopolitan. Yan, oo.
I've been here 3 times, but I haven't seen the inside of Aria. Jonathan, yeah.
Oh, you should
I
have,
haven't-
you should
Ah,
see
they
it.
said the city inside the city, but I haven't been inside.
It's a beautiful hotel and casino.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah.
What's it?
So how
Spring.
is it? Like it's still busy as before,
Oh, yeah.
or it's slowed down a little?
Oh my
it's
God.
been busy.
Why
Still
there's a
busy?
truck here in the highway?
Usage, data roaming, more
Spring. Ano ba?
nearby device, internet,
Spring Road. Mountain Road.
There's Caesar's
Sahara
Palace.
Avenue. And what is this?
Caesar's Palace.
Ah, nakaano na? Okay, hindi ako makatawag kanina eh. Armando Paque.
Okay na yan.
Thank you.
Ayan, golden nugget.
Oh, yun na. Yan ang buhay ko, ilaw. Hindi sa kabukiran.
Carvana.
There's the high roller.
Yan. Oh. Malapit na, malapit na.
Treasure Island.
Kala mo naman, alam ko. Malapit na. Oh, treasure. Oh.
Everybody
Jonathan.
Sabi niya kayo.
Yeah, it's our
We're
first
gonna have a good
time.
time. We're gonna have a good time.
Caesar Palace pa sila? Caesar Palace. Saan ba sila? Sa Las Vegas Strip sila, di ba?
Teka lang, makikita natin. Parang yung metro, bigyan ng Cairo.
Palace Station.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Yeah?
Doon ba sila?
Girly.
Doon ba sila?
Hindi ko matandaan ang hotel nila, sinabi eh.
Cyborg daw. Cyborg.
Sahara. Wala.
There's the stratosphere.
Where?
There.
Stratosphere.
Oh, okay. Sahara Avenue.
Hindi ko nakakita doon na break. Stratosphere.
Oh, ito ang Main Street.
Nakakakit ba tayo dyan?
Pinakamataas siya. Tanong
Yeah,
mo,
it's,
This is Fremont District, so we're near.
Makakakit tayo dyan.
Dati nga may revolving restaurant.
Oh my God, di tayo pwede mag-drive dito.
Pero wala na sila.
Hindi, kaya naman, pero mas kailangan lang alam yung pupuntahan.
Kasi pag may isang car lang kami
Yeah.
ng convoy nyo, malilito.
Oh, kaya naman ang mag-drive. Ang ano lang dito, hindi mo alam kung saan.
Saan? Oo.
Siyempre kung bago ka.
Lalo na pag nalito.
Oo. Pero kung taga rito ka, kaya na.
Namalayan ba yan?
No, it's ayoko mag-live kasi nga hindi ko yun masasave. Pag nawala ang Facebook ko,
Yeah.
that's it.
Oo.
Ano, ang dami ko na kasi like in Dubai, Saudi, nawala lahat yun. And sipag kung mag-video kaya. Kasi ito, hindi mo na yan mababalikan pa.
Oo.
I don't know. Pero babalik man tao siguro dito, hindi na yung ganitong buwan. Kainit.
Oo.
Oh my God.
Last month to come here. Not Christmas time, because
No, Christmas is gonna be cold, plus it's gonna be slow. It's not that busy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
October.
So I mean, June, July, August is good.
It's
Like
hot.
summertime.
It's very,
I mean,
very,
it's too
very
hot.
hot.
It's too
Yeah.
hot. Yeah.
Yung tanongin mo nga kung magkano bayad papuntang outlet.
If we take the Uber
Yeah.
from Fremont going to the outlet mall, how much it's gonna be?
The outlet, this one, the north,
No, the outlet outside.
which there's two outlets, south outlet and the north outlet.
Oh, okay.
So the
How
north,
about the south?
north is more close to downtown.
Oh, the one it's like the big building. No, there's one, the premium
The
outlet.
premium outlet, yeah.
Yeah.
There's one on the north side and there's another one on the south side.
Probably the south side. I've been there,
Well,
but I don't know
The
south.
south one is near to the airport where I pick you up.
Oh, okay.
That one is a little bit far, but the Uber price is not like it's not a fixed or flat rate.
Yeah.
It goes up and down on the time, based on the time and the demand. You know,
Oh.
when it's very busy, the
Yeah.
price goes high.
Uh-huh.
Downtown
Very slow
Casino.
and there's no demand.
Uh-huh.
The price
Main
go up.
Street.
Oh, so there's no
Station.
fixed price or fixed rate or
No, there's
anything.
no fixed rate.
Okay. So it's better
So
to
for now,
take
you
the bus.
you paid for 49, 50 bucks. Yeah.
Yeah.
When it's very high, you might pay 120.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you mean to say you give us a good price?
Oh yeah.
Ah,
Definitely.
Thank you
Best
so much.
Oh, yan na yan.
Magpa-picture tayo dyan sa Binions yung the $1 million money.
Ibibigay ba na?
Ay, yung
Ayan na,
Prima,
ayan na.
the Prima.
Yuhu! Yan na yung hotel namin.
My
Diyan
God,
kami.
they don't have any shuttle bus anymore. They used to.
They have shuttle bus,
Like
the
all
city
the
bus.
hotels, they used to have shuttle bus to pick up the
That's
guests.
our
Yeah, they might
hotel.
have one too.
No, they said they don't.
Maybe Golden Nugget they have one, but I don't know how to get it.
Ah,
Golden Nugget has one, I know.
right. Oh, there's the ceiling is working already.
Here comes our hotel. Tan, tar, tan. There. Wow, talagang patay sindi yata tayo dito.
Sasaya tayo dyan. In with us. Like, come with us.
I I think yeah, per liter is more expensive. than
prime
the-
ribs, steak and lobster, 11, 10.99, 11.99, 9 to 11 p.m.
Dyan ang hotel namin. Yan.
Na. Ano pa lang?
8:45.
No, hindi. Ayun.
9 to 11 p.m. siya eh.
Pwede pa tayo.
Pwede pa.
Oh, dito na kami. Oo.
Check-in muna tayo.
Kami. Yan. Hanggang dito na lang tayo.
Yeah, kasi
And this is our hotel. We are in Fremont Hotel and Casino, and we are in 7th floor. And we are 6 in one room. Oh, this is the only thorn among the roses. 735.
talagang hilak tayo.
Nilang tayo.
Sabi mo, video mo.
Nilak kami, hindi ayaw nila kami papasukin. Mga wala. Oh, that's the Hotel of Fremont. Yan ang kanilang carpet. Ayaw nila kami papasukin. Mga loko itong mga ito.
Ano pa pasukin?
Ano, pagsisipay namin ang pintuan.
Nagtatawanan yung mga ito.
Konsensyahan na lang
Hindi na
ba?
kami pinapasok.
Maturog hanot kay
Iniwan
Florence.
kami sa labas.
Maturog.
Dito na lang daw kami sa labas. Ayaw na patukan.
Ayaw nila kami papasukin.
Talaga lang.
Gusto nilang